They're off. Between horses for the early lead goes Shannon Intruder. Dual Fuel came away well on the outside. Rare Storm hustles up third, and Dual Fuel quickly into a 2-length lead, tucking in second. Rare Storm in third. Shannon Intruder racing fourth. Loud Thunder Cotton Sock is fifth. Up on the outside with an early move to the quarter-mile pole goes Rare Storm, but Dual Fuel holds the rail. Look at this battle, a 7-length gap to third. Finds Shannon Intruder. The leader by 2 is Dual Fuel. Rare Storm second by 4. Shannon Intruder is third. Loud Thunder fourth. Cotton Sock fifth. Billy Scott sixth. Escort Best is seventh, trailing the field. Strange Promise. They go off the half-mile. Dual Fuel, the leader. The half-mile, 59 seconds. Shannon Intruder now moves up easily to get the lead. Dual Fuel drops back. Now moving up to be third, and now second, Loud Thunder. Rare Storm is third on the outside, 3 deep to the 3/4. Go Strange Promise. They bank into the turn on the front end. The leader by a length is Shannon Intruder. Racing in second, that's Loud Thunder on the outside. Rare Storm with Strange Promise. They turn for home. Shannon Intruder leads. He's under a drive. Rare Storm closing on the outside, slipping through along the rail in the stretch. That's Loud Thunder. That's Loud Thunder getting the lead. Shannon Intruder is second. Loud Thunder.